everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing well. This is a very beautiful day, but it's raining, that's why it's a beautiful day. I hope you know what I mean. So yes, welcome back to my new video. It is the mini beauty blender washing machine. Ta-da! Ta-da! How cute this is. I hope this cleans my beauty blenders and brushes. Here's the close-up look to it. So it has an opener which is right here, and here is the pipe to squirt out the water right here. Now we are going to try this out in our next segment. So this is the beauty blender washing machine, and I should also get a towel handy or a t-shirt handy, because this might work weird, I'm not sure, but let's see. So now let's try this cute beauty blender washing machine which is right here, and I have some dish soap, dish liquid soap, and some water. So I'm going to pour in half of this washing machine's quantity, and let's see. And it's not dish liquid soap, it's my body wash from Plum. I think that's it. So I'm going to first try out my beauty blender, which is dirty and nude in color. If this helps and this is a good thing, then I'll be very happy. Ew, it smells very bad. So let me just switch this on first. Oh, it's working! Oh my god, I have to. This machine is actually working. Oh my god. But I can smell my body wash, and let's put this in now. I'm so excited. It's spinning. It is spinning. Do you guys see that? It's moving. I'm going to wait for like around 5 minutes and then get back to this washing machine and see if this works or not. Oh my god guys, this actually leaked a little water. I don't know from down or from where, but this actually leaked. Now we'll have to squirt out the water on some container, so let's do it. Ooh, it's squirting out, oh my god. Ew, the water is very dirty. Looks like pee. See that? Now let's see if the beauty blender washing machine worked with my dirtiest beauty blender. Let's just... Oh my god, it actually kind of... Well, this still has the typical body wash and foundation kind of a smell. So we'll keep this aside and try something else. So let's try this beauty blender, which is blue in color, and you see it's dirty and it's of a different shape. So let's try this out. I'll keep this dirty water aside and use my washing machine again. So open this, add water, and this time I'll add a very little of the wash. So now switch it on. So that's working somehow. Now I'll put my beauty blender. Now we are going to wait for like more than 5 minutes. I'll just give it a try. If this works, then 399 rupees was worth it. So this is still twirling and it's been 5 minutes now. Let me switch this off and keep a towel down so that nothing gets dirty, you know. This leaks. I should only use this in a bathroom or kitchen, I guess. So I'll just open this and get the dirty water bowl and squeeze. Okay, the foundation seems to be coming off the brush, but my hands are getting dirty. So it's one of the same thing. Get your hands dirty, wash the beauty blenders, and like, oh, it actually kind of cleaned. This actually cleaned. See that? Like kind of, just the borders are left. This part is clean. This part is kind of clean. Let's clean this pot again. Now we are going to try out the brushes. I have a very dirty foundation brush, and I also have an eyeshadow brush which is also dirty. You see that it's orange and this is like brown. So I'll try out the orange thingy first. Let's fill the bottle again. I mean the washing machine again. That's it. Not much more. Don't waste. Ooh, it's squirting out from here. Oh my god, I'm going to just clean it. So, switch it on. Swirling and put this brush in. Okay, that's fast. Just a little. Just a drop. That's it. Switched it off. Now let's see the results. I'm going to clean it because it has kind of a foam. And see that? It cleaned my brush. That's insane. I'm going to try this out now. A foundation brush. If this works, switch it on. Put your brush. Oh, it stopped working. Oh, it's because of the weight. So I'll put this inside for like 5 minutes and then check again. Like, I really don't have patience, but I'm still trying, you know. Let's try this. I mean, see this? Is this cleaned? Even thoda. Stop. Just clean this a little. So brush always needs to be rinsed. I mean, it kind of cleaned my brush, but see that? It actually cleaned. Like kind of. Last try. With this brush right here, I'm going to do the process all over again and get back to you. Let's see the reality of the spinning. This is unbelievable. It cleaned my brush. It cleaned my favorite mini brush. Oh my god. Paisa Vasool stuff. This is a Paisa Vasool washing machine. Woo. I'm going to try the last brush. And one thing which is of a different size, but I don't know if this will fit or not. This dirty puff, and also there's this. This is also dirty. It has stains, but I'm going to try my powder brush, which is very old. It's like 3 years old. So let's try this out in the same water. Switch it off first because it keeps swirling. It doesn't stop by itself. So rinse it again a little. It's clean. I think it works better with makeup brushes and not like beauty blenders? I mean, I have no idea, but like I'm just guessing that. So 399 rupees का वसूली है ये, and I loved this washing machine, no doubt about it. I love it, like I love it, I love it, and I love it. That is how much I love it. So if you want to buy this beauty blender washing machine, all you have to do is go to amazon.com, type beauty blender washing machine, and you will get 2-3 options of rupees 525, 499, 399. I bought the one which was the cheapest, which is the 399 wala, and it took like 15 to 20 days to come here, and there is no COD option because it ships internationally, like it comes from international place. That's stupid. So anyway, you can add it to your cart, pay by card, NEFT, whatever, and you will receive it between or in 15 to 20 days. So I hope you guys liked my video. If you do like my video, don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and I give post notification shout out at the end of my video. So all you have to do is like my video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and today's post notification shout out, also hit the bell icon. So today's post notification shout out goes to Renato Chantre Almeida, Sahil Galoth, and John Lindsay. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I just checked all the post notification shout out, and as I always say, take care of the family, take care of animals, treat animals, feed them, take care of them, give them shelter. It's raining outside, and take care of yourself too. So stay tuned for my next video.